Our CI engineer mounts a smartphone on the station to capture a video of the assembly process. He visits KaizenCopilot.com, goes specifically into the station design module, uploads the video, and enters some metadata about the process. He will be asked to label one cycle that takes place in that video, just the beginning and the end of that cycle. Our AI does the rest. It automatically detects any further cycles in the video, followed by breaking down those cycles into meaningful assembly steps. On this screen, you can see the names that have been generated for those steps. The steps are highly salient and represent meaningful phases of the activity. Our AI has also figured out a value add versus non-value add breakdown amongst these steps. On this screen, you see individual cycle times, mean, mode, the non-value add versus value add breakdown, as well as fine-grained statistics at the level of individual steps. If needed, it's possible to compare the different groups of cycles, such as different part numbers, side by side. The system allows exporting all this data into a variety of Excel templates. We are also able to customize it automatically based on customers' proprietary Excel formats. On this screen, the AI generates a bunch of improvement-related questions based on the video content and the step name. So for the second step, the system thinks that it might help to pre-position the tools to streamline this particular step, or use a more efficient tool, such as a portable power tool, to make it faster. In the final screen, the system consolidates all of the results. It estimates the reduction in cycle time that will be possible based on prior data if any of these recommendations are implemented. It also draws out the spaghetti diagram of the operator movement. On this screen, the system figures out some Kaizen possibilities at the level of the entire station. Here, you see the layout of the station, as well as the amount of work that takes place in different portions of the station, followed by opportunities to improve the station layout. Finally, you can download all these improvement suggestions as a PDF.